Don't go in there. They're having the let's try to figure out what customers want meeting again. It's gotten a little weird.
Signups are strong, but adoption of key features remains stagnant. What do you do?
We gotta merge that PR. Yeah, we have to. That's our only choice. Okay. We cast merge on the PR for the new dashboard. Oh no.
Your actions have caused the company to go viral for the wrong reason.
God.
Oh no, what do we do?
Roll for initiative.
No, I can't.
New features shouldn't be left to a roll of the dice. Use DevCycle to ship with low risk and instant rollbacks. Unrolls, re-rolls. How do we make this into a dice pun?
All right, and we are live here on Does It Toggle? It is I, Andrew, your friendly neighborhood DevCycle developer advocate, and on today's stream, we are going to be celebrating the new OpenFeature Angular SDK by playing around in AnalogJS, which is a Angular meta framework. But before we go any further, I've got to fix some issues that I'm having with all of the different channels. So let's go see how I look over on YouTube. Okay, quality's not bad over there. But I keep going into like unfocused because I move back and forth away from the camera, so I gotta fix that. So as you're coming in, welcome to the stream. I'm super excited to be here with you. We're just working on some stuff. Let me know how the audio sounds. Let me know how the video is looking to all of you. Yeah, let me know how the music is. Like, just tell me all the things that is going on for you today. All right, there's my anchor work stuff. Let's turn off autofocus. Yeah, hold on. So now I need to refocus myself. Okay, there we go. I think that's pretty focused. Nice. Okay, that looks good to me. If you're here watching, where are you watching right now? We got a bunch of people on X. We got some people on YouTube. All right, let's close that down. All right, I'm gonna close down Twitch, although I want to make sure I'm streaming over on Twitch right now. Am I streaming right now? Am I? No, where are we hiding? Channel, there we go. Okay, I'm live. Good, nice. Okay, so we're good on Twitch. Let's see how we're doing over on YouTube. Just doing the checks in all of the different places as people start to roll in. Make sure you say hello in the chat. I'd love to say welcome. So excited that you're here. Okay, let's just go watch myself on YouTube. Make sure everything's working right over there. Your channel? Is it showing me live right now? It is showing me live. How does it look? Looking okay. Oh, yeah, everything is good. All right, I love it. Okay, so I think we can close all of that stuff. If you're just tuning in, welcome to Does It Toggle. My name's Andrew, DevCycle developer advocate. I'm here today to show you the new OpenFeature Angular SDK by also showing you an awesome Angular meta framework called AnalogJS. So if you are here for Angular, let me know in the chat. If you are here for AnalogJS, show me in the chat. Just say something in the chat. I'd love to say hello. I'd love to get to know some of you that are watching the stream. And I know we got people watching all over the place. We've got some people on YouTube. We got some people on Twitter, like all over the place right now. All right, I'm going to close down some windows because I have got like one less screen today. And I'm going to put myself in focus mode till this evening. So you'll notice that we're a little bit earlier than usual today. That's because I am in a different location, as you may have noticed by my different green screen. So I normally would go earlier in the day, but it's kind of okay. It's kind of okay right now to do it at this time of the afternoon. And then it'll be like 5 o'clock. Instead of me starting at 4 and going to 6, I'm sort of doing it this way. Okay, let's get a screen share up. I'm gonna move myself over here to tell the screen quality difference too. All right, let's close this and let's share screen. Okay, here we are. I don't like this view. I like this one better. I think we're good. Welcome everybody. Let's open up on our screen. Actually, I want to do one thing. I want to show you something. So if you don't know this, so Parth and I do DevTools and DevCools. And actually our next DevTools and DevCools is with a friend from Cloudflare. I might actually do it from the office on Wednesday too, now that I think about it, because I'm going to be there. Hold on. But where is it hiding here? I just saw it, Cloudflare. I just saw a Cloudflare, like Cloudflare developers. Wonder what channel it's on. Where did I just see this? I literally just saw a new video that got uploaded really recently. Oh, that's super sad. Maybe, do they have like a Cloudflare developers channel? They do. I bet you it's here. No. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So we're going to be doing a stream. I think we're actually even going to be focusing on Cloudflare queues. I like it. Anyways, I just wanted to shout out that we're going to be doing this stream in a couple of weeks. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be exploring Cloudflare, and I always love exploring Cloudflare. So, but that's not what we're here for today. We are here today for to celebrate this announcement. Hooray! If I could do celebrations on my screen, I would. So if you don't know what Angular is, we're going to look at Angular today. It's just another JavaScript framework. We look at a lot of JavaScript frameworks on this show. But it has some idiosyncrasies similar to React and Next.js. Like, you often do have to do kind of very unique things for these frameworks. And so to the point that I don't actually know if AnalogJS is going to play well with this SDK, so we're going to have to find out. So I think there's two things we need to do today. The first thing is we are going to need to actually just look at Angular itself, like spinning up an Angular project, and then we'll look at spinning up a Then we'll look at spinning up an AnalogJS project. So let's first go in. Let's jump right into it. Let's go in. Let's just like open an Angular project. Learn Angular. I like their website. I wonder, can you imagine if the website was not built in Angular? It was like built in something else. Oh, I like these scrollers. All right, where's my getting started? Start coding? No, I don't want to go into I don't want to go into this. I want to go installation. Set up a project locally. Instructions. npm install Angular CLI. Create a new project. Do I need the Angular CLI? In your terminal, run the CLI. Oh, it is. Okay. I will do it then. Let's open our terminal. If you're here watching and you are an Angular fan, let me know. All right, what is our issue here? Am I not using the right node version? What do I need? Oh, I need 22. NVM use 22. NVM install 22. Oh, this is super small for you guys. I'm sorry. So this was the error that we were seeing, which is basically just that I'm not using. I need a higher node. So I've just used NVM to install a higher version, and I'm going to do NVM use. And now I bet I'll be able to run that. Let's see what happens. So I might actually be enjoying my setup that I have here. I may need one less screen. Ooh, Wi-Fi is not looking too hot. What's going on? That's fine. Oh, what's going on? I wonder. Oh no. Quality's fine though. Okay. Back over to here. Did it run? Okay, sick. Okay, now we're gonna do this command ng-new does it toggle? Would you like to enable auto completions? Would you like to share pseudonymous usage? I know pseudonym. Pseudonymous? Pseudonymous. I don't know what it is. But yes. Or no. Oh, that's good. No was the default. Alright, what do we got here? Which style sheet format? CSS. Do you want to enable server-side rendering? No. Alright. Let's see how this turns out. By the way, if you're here watching, say something. Say something in chat. I'd love to have a conversation. You can chat literally everywhere. You can chat on LinkedIn. You can chat on YouTube. Like, just chat. Say something. Say hello. I know you're here. I can see you watching. I know I got people over on X. Pop in and say hello. I mean, unless you're just here for my lilting voice and stellar programming skills. All right. Successfully initialize get. All right. Let's see what's going on in here. ls cd ls cd did I call it does it toggle? I guess it did. Does it toggle ls? Okay. What do I need to do now? I need to cd into there and then just npm start. Oh, actually, let's code. Let's get into the VS Code and then do our work in there. Where are you going to open VS Code, though? That's the question. It opened it in my other window. Goodness, the brights are bright. I wonder if it's a contrast issue. NPM start. Okay, that's running. Oh no, I didn't do that. Terminal, new terminal. npm start. Oh, npm start. npm start. Give me 1 second, I just got a message. Alright. Re-enable. Which email? Aikido. Alright. Sorry guys, just give me 1 second. Last Tuesday or Friday. Okay. Okay, sorry. I got distracted. I need to not get distracted when I'm doing live streams. Angular language servers, I love that. Okay, and npm start. Did that actually install anything or just bring me to here? No, okay. And what are we starting at? 4,200. Why do they all have different starting places? Okay. Great. This is super simple. I like simple. Zoom out a little bit. Let's see what's going on in here. All right. Source app. Let's take a look at this structure. Okay, this is all fine. I guess the README is probably a good place to start. Scaffolding, no. TypeScript stuff. Index.html, okay. App component. Okay. Social links. Typing. A lot. I feel like Angular is really well known for like enterprise stuff though. This feels very enterprisey to me. I don't know why. Angular, what's in here? Oh, that's all caching stuff. Main TS. Okay. Index.html. So I feel like we're going to be playing around in this main.ts file. Maybe in routes. We could probably do something in routes. All right. I mean, it's working. That's all we needed. So let's go into OpenFeature Angular. Does it actually link to it? Overview, npm install. I love me an npm install. I love me an npm install. By the way, let me know if you need me to bump up the text size. I think that should be okay for right now. Oh. Angular SDK. Okay. While resolving, Angular common. Here. Node modules, Angular common. While resolving, does it toggle? Found Angular common 18.6 from the root project. Could not resolve dependency. Angular common 16.17 from OpenFeature. So I can't. Does it say in the SDK that it's only compatible with? That's weird. I love that, like, literally. Oh. Yeah, Angular version 16 plus. So why? So what is the exact error? Could not resolve dependency from OpenFeature node modules from the root project. Fix the upstream. npm error resolution. Pure Angular common. I feel like this is just because it doesn't specifically call out 18. Or is it just too high? Should I use some AI for this? Let's use some Copilot chat. How can I fix this error? Okay, so what's it saying? Run it, check for compatible versions, look for compatible version Angular SDK that supports 8.2.6. I don't think there is one. Downgrading. Okay, why don't I just downgrade Angular Common? Oh, did that do it? Yeah, let's just do that. Oh, what? Oh, come on. Now, legacy peer dependencies. Unable to resolve dependency tree. Okay, gotta install a specific version of Angular. That's the problem here. This does not bode well. Angular specific version install. npm cache clean, cache verify, Angular CLI wished version here. npm install G Angular. What? The resulting whitelist? No, that seems wrong. npx Angular CLI 10. Uninstall Angular CLI. No, I want a specific version of Angular, not the Angular CLI. No, I want a specific version of Angular. 3 months ago? Okay, that looks new enough. Okay, I got that. Okay, npx. You know which version of Angular I want to install. Once we know, we'll have to write the following command in the directory we want to host our project. What? I have to know which. This just seems so... do I need the CLI installed then? Doesn't npx do... I'm very confused by this. Very confused. Which version of Angular? Angular 17.3, Node.js 18. Is there v18? Hold on. Angular. So we're already having a dependency issue. If you're just tuning in, I tried to install the OpenFeature SDK and it didn't work. Angular CLI, style guide, service workers, playground reference, update guide, version compatibility. Okay. Angular 18, Node.js 18, 20, 22. Unsupported Angular versions. Which version am I on right now? Angular 8.2.6. So I want to get 18.0. Let's just do that. Oh my goodness. So now, where is this? Can I just do 18.0? Let me see. Let's just create a new folder in here. New folder. We'll call this fix Angular. Fix. Okay. And then we're here. ls clear. ls cd fix. And then we're gonna run this. New IT, and we want to grab 18.0. Okay, let's do this. Yes. But now we're using an NVM version that's too high. Ugh, NVM use 18. Oh, I didn't want 18. I wanted 20. I wanted 20. No. NVM use 20? Okay. Can we do this again? By the way, welcome to all of our watchers, lurkers. This command is not available when running the Angular CLI inside of a workspace. What? What? Oh my goodness. Well, fine then. Where's my terminal? I just want to do 18.0.0. We'll just do it from here. Oh, goodness. 18.0. This command is not available. What does this mean? This command is not available while running. Oh, Angular. In my case, I'm gonna take this. Okay. Oh my goodness. Chat GPT. How do I install version 18.0 of Angular? This is ridiculous. Maybe it's this. ls. So maybe it's working now. Okay, it's working. Merge conflicted on path. What? What? Oh goodness. My project 2. Maybe I already had my project for something else. I must have already had a project somewhere else. Okay, what do you think, chat? Is this gonna work? I hope it does. Let me know what you think. Okay. Oh, great. Okay, awesome. I'm like looking at my phone while I'm doing this. Okay. And then I think I just needed to cd into my project 2 ls. Okay, and then just npm start. Okay, ng serve, that's good. Would you like to use it? Oh, it's already in use. Oh, hold on. Close. Let's cancel that. npm start. Okay, beautiful. I think. Press H, enter to show help. I don't know why I can't like click through here, but let's see what's going on. Okay, good. Okay, let's close out of this. Let's go into here. Close this. Okay, so we're here in our Angular project. This is working now. So now let's try and install this. Maybe it was just the version that we were trying to use. Yeah, where are we hiding? Terminal, new terminal. Okay. What? So there are some dependency issues happening here. Bound Angular common 18.2.6. Okay, 18.2.6. So you can't go any higher than Angular 16? Oh my goodness, hold on. Let's just kill this then. Fine. Oh, wait. Let's just delete all of this. Delete. Move to trash. And let's do that same command again. I think it'll find it. Are we just gonna do 16? Could it do 17? I guess it could do 17. Let's do Angular 17. I think this will work. Yes. We're doing my project 2 inside of my project 2. CSS, no. Great. And then I'm gonna like CD into my, I'm just like doing like layers, nested layers of Angular. Nested Angular. Is that a thing? Chat, it's so quiet today. Is it just because it's a Friday afternoon? Directory's already in vertical skipping and just again. Okay, CD my project 2 ls. CD, okay, and then let's go code dot. Okay, close you. Can I do this install now? And then I gotta report a bug. No. Install. Is this gonna do it? So it does not play. Yeah, okay, so it just doesn't play well with NPM, with Angular 18. Does it say? It says Angular version 16 plus, but it's not working with new versions. To include OpenFeature Angular directives, you need to import OpenFeature module and use it using the for root method. NG module. Where do I find that? NG module? Hold on. I get this strange feeling that this is not going to be set up the same way. Main? Bootstrap application, config, app module. This doesn't seem like a traditional, hold on. I need to import the OpenFeature module, configure it for using the for root method. So am I needing to create? There's a minimal use. Am I in the wrong spot? Where's the, is this it? Like the install stuff? It seems odd. Where, hold on. Angular. Usage. Like, where am I using this? This isn't clear. Does it say it in the blog? Looking ahead. So you're creating a module to use. Angular feature exports a module. I guess you really have to understand Angular to understand how all of this works. Let me look through my base model. I don't think it's in there. Definitely not in there. Not in there. Oh, is it here? Common module, okay. Component, app component. What did it say I needed to do up here? Does it actually use the term for root? Oh, it does. Component. Do I have to look up creating a module in Angular? This is confusing. Create module in Angular. Create a new module. There was probably some stuff here in like the generate module. Okay. Are we gonna just call this OpenFeature? What did they call their module? NG module. What is N? Let's just call it OpenFeature, I guess. OpenFeature. Okay, OpenFeature. Okay, this is looking good. So I just needed to generate a module. And then it's showing me that I need to do this. Oh, my eyes have gone all buggy. Okay, what am I actually doing here? App module. Domain bound providers. Open feature provider. You're a new open feature provider. Domain bound providers are optional. I don't want them then. If they are optional, I don't want them. Common module. Imports. Export. Okay, this is fine. Declarations. Other components. Import common module. Module. Export class. NG module imports imports common module, open feature, and then this. Yeah, because this I think is all I need. Imports, yeah. Okay. NG module, open feature module. So this is fine. I need to add this up here. Okay, NG module declarations. I'm gonna grab these imports. That I need. Yeah, I get that. And then class export open feature module. Oh, wait, what did I do? I did something wrong. I want to grab this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So I think this is good. And then what am I doing here? I need to create a flag in memory. Is there like in memory? Where are you hiding? I bet you there is a import in memory provider. New in memory. How do you do in memory provider stuff again? In memory provider. Open feature. All right. Where does you actually provide it? It's under the tutorial section, I thought. They do like an example of the in-memory provider. I do in-memory provider a lot. Okay, flag configuration, new in-memory provider. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do this stuff up here. And then I'm just going to do provider, feature flag provider. Oh, I guess I could have just done this. Yeah. Like one less constant or variable or whatever. So then I don't need this, assuming. I just want this to be Boolean flag. Am I doing Angular right, everybody? I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing. I think this should work though. Am I running this right now? Feel if I go npm start. Building. Okay, nothing broke. That's a good sign. Localhost 4200. Okay, are you giving me any errors? Okay, but how am I using this? Okay, so I've got this all set up. You don't need to provide initializing. Is feature enabled? default true. Where am I using this? The example shows content when the feature flag is feature enabled is true. With a default value of true, no else screening or reconcile. Okay, let's grab this then. Because ours is going to be called Boolean flag. Oh, no, I didn't want that. Boolean flag, okay. Okay, and then where do I want to use this? At in HTML? Index? No. HTML? Router, the content above is only a placeholder and can be replaced and a placeholder. Let's throw it in here somewhere. Social links, where are social links here? Oh, social links are down there. Where's the Angular DevTools thing? Okay, pill group. So I'm between these two, I'm gonna add something. And this is, the flag name is Boolean flag. And default is false. Can I just use prettier? It's not nunchucks. It thinks that everything is nunchucks. It's just HTML. Okay. Or is it nunchucks? Maybe it is, maybe I'm wrong. Cannot bind since it isn't a known property of div. Okay, so I'm misusing this in here anyways. Maybe it is nunchucks, maybe I was wrong. Nunchucks. I love that we have not even touched on analog yet. So this is there. Default very disabled, false, true, on. Yeah, so this should be Boolean flag. Default false. So why can't bind this isn't a known property? Component schemas to the component schemas of this component. Can't bind to Boolean places isn't a known property of div. Oh man, what's going on here? What is going on here? Have I put this in the wrong spot? No, because there are no existing modules. This was right. ng module. Do I have to name this app module or something? Oh, maybe I do. Hold on. Let's move this outside. Okay, and then we're gonna call this app.module.ts. And then we're gonna rename this to app module. App module. Will that do it, or are we still gonna get that error? Is that an old error or a new error? Still the same error. Can't bind since it isn't a property of div. Is this something to do? So app config, app routes, ng module. That seems all right. What's the example? Angular core, yeah, that's right. Ng module declarations, import for root. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, library is for directory flag. Do I need to? Is that the actual name? Or do you just convert the case? Angular SDK. Okay, whoa. What if I just do Boolean flag? Maybe I need to. Boolean. cannot bind since it is known property of div. So I don't think I need to do that actually. Did I not install something? Is it in the wrong place? Hold on, let me put it in the... Hold on. Export class app module. No, that's all right. It's in the for root method. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I'm gonna try putting this into here and see if it makes a difference. I don't think it will, but we'll never know. Okay. If I go default true, does it show that? No, so it's not even appearing in there. App root. So this almost doesn't matter. Main? Bootstrap application. Oh, hold on. Maybe this is what I need to do. Import app module. And then add that in there. App module. Bootstrap instance or standalone. App module. Bootstrap application. Root component. Promise. Okay, so that is wrong. But I do think I'm going to need to import that somewhere. App module. Providers. Components. Import. Is it in there? Do I need to do that as a component instead of a module? Hold on. If I grab all of this stuff, oh no, because that's using the ng module. Okay, why do I need to spec it out? Like, does it need the testing stuff? Yeah, like, why is this being... Hold on, maybe it's where it was? Oh. Boolean flag. Boolean flag. But I think it's going to throw that error again. No, not that one. Yeah, still... Okay, is this Angular stuff? Import session service. Oh yeah, that's Angular. ng module class. If you're using RC, instead of you choose nginf like this. Oh, class. Well, that doesn't make any sense. I want to do modules. Can't bind it, no property input. ng module declarations, your component name. App module. In the first story I did, main TS looks slightly different from what it is now. Import forms module, declarations, imports forms module. It should be with M capital. Check if imports in your TS file. Am I just doing this in the wrong place? Do I do the module inside of something? Create a routing. ng module. I feel like this is just an idiosyncrasy of, hold on, let's just go Angular modules. Oh, this is an old site too. Head to angular.dev. Modules. Sharing modules. Export imports, common module, declarations, exports. I'm re-exporting. Hold on, do I need to do exports in there? Exports. No, that didn't work either. Excuse me. Any Angular friends in the house and know what the heck I'm doing here? Sharing ng modules. JS modules, app component, ng modules, classes with metadata for compiling. App component. Maybe I need to do this. Bootstrap app component. Declarations app component. Common module. Using modules, universal modules in Angular. Oh my goodness. Oh, Golem's dead. Okay, let's try ChatGPT again. Hey, ChatGPT. Why can't I use a generated module throughout my application? And we're going to give it this. See what it says. OpenFeature module. Okay. There is no app module though. Yeah, like I didn't have an app module before. I didn't have an app module in my default application. If it doesn't follow traditional app module structure. No, it doesn't follow an app module structure. I am using Angular 17. Angular 17 default project. I'm just having a conversation with ChatGPT right now. Modular, modify your main TS. Oh, so I'm using this differently. Okay, so this is where I was thinking. Okay, so. All right. So I was in the right place before, actually. It seems. But it was here. Yeah, so I was doing all of this stuff right. It's just the way that this is scaffolded, it seems. Bootstrap application, app component, app config. What is an app config? Provide if you need HTTP client, OpenFeature module providers. What does app config show? Maybe I need to do it in there. Oh, yeah, that's not helpful. So I'm actually doing it in the config stuff. Okay, so let's pull this stuff. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Back to where we were before the beginning. Okay, amazing. So we're actually doing it in here. Didn't need this app module stuff. I need this. Okay. And then providers, OpenFeature providers. So it's saying that I should be able to do this. Provider, environment, is not available to an assigned provider. OpenFeature module. What was it over here? Provider in memory provider. Yeah, I don't think it's actually providers. Is it? Hold on. Okay, yeah, I don't think. What is going on here? Quick fix? Fix using Copilot? Except, let's see what it did here. OpenFeature module, provide, use value. Let's see. Let's see if this worked. It's definitely not the way they're recommending this is used. I don't think so either. No. Okay, so that's not it either. Is there just like... Yeah, this is weird that they're recommending to use it a specific way. Include the... You need to import and configure it using the for root method. Is it... Did it used to be Angular 16 default project? Yeah, I want to see, like, what does it look like? Yeah, so this creates component. What about 16? No, because this just creates components. Does it? Modules? Create a feature component. 17 again? Do we talk about modules at all? Get started? Maybe I should be following this. Composing components, control if, event handling, deferrable views, routing, define a route. What about modules? For component imports forms module user component. Okay. Okay, maybe I get it now. Hold up. No. Yeah, let's just call that app module still. That's fine. And then in my component, imports open feature module. Comma. And now I need to import that. No, not from there. Oh, app module, sorry. Cool. App module. Hold on. I think this is it. App module. Okay. Refresh. No, still no. Off and on again, maybe? Maybe there's a build issue there? Cannot bind since it's not a node in the app component. Spec? Can I remove the spec? Delete? Move to trash? What if I do that? And then I don't have any type. I think those are just, I think it's just typing stuff. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I love that we're totally not getting to analog right now. Imports. What do I need to export it? Com module, app module. Can't bind since it isn't a known property. Boolean feature flag default. Boolean feature flag. Oh, hold on. Could it have just been mistyping? It's not a known property. Config module routes. Trying to bind to an HTML in this case div. This binding the error message. Right. Check for custom directory component usage. Custom input. Component selector. Input. Man, Angular is weird, hey? Where did I build this? App module? Hold on. It's like, I should just download Cursor. Do I have Cursor? I guess I don't have paid Cursor. And main TS. So that, no, this is telling me to do it the wrong way. App module, app component, router outlet, imports, apps, template URLs. Remove app module. Since you're working with standalone components in Angular 17, you can remove app module entirely as it's no longer needed. No, I don't want to use it in standalone components. I want to use it everywhere. I want to use it everywhere. App component. Yeah, I want to be able to use it everywhere. Why? Template, standalone, true. Imports, title, template. No, this. Who are you using this? Like, this is sample repo? Okay. Main.ts, app component. Okay, that's the same. Config. Okay, you're not even using it the same way. So I did do it in there. Context change. Delayed in memory provider. What the heck? Not doing it in there. Who is writing these articles? What's going on? OpenFeature Web SDK. Toggle. 3 weeks ago. I'm not sure what's happening here, people. Whoa. Hold the phone. I need to pause for a second. So they're showing you how to do it in a module, but you wouldn't do it in a module in the modern structure. That seems odd. So I don't want this. I actually do want to worry about my config thing. Close saved. App config. And how did they use it? They used it in here. Import change context key from where? Oh. Test provider. Okay, so yeah, like they're using it in a very different way. So this is good to know. All right. I don't want any of this stuff. App config, export const app config, application config, providers, provide router. Okay, import providers from OpenFeature for root. I'm just gonna grab this whole thing. Because I'm not sure. I think it's that. Oh. Okay, I don't care about that. Providers, provider route, import providers from. Okay, that's fine. I don't need the domain bound providers. Import providers from. Okay. And then module, I wanted to do in-memory provider flag configuration. So I'm going to grab this, paste that, and then just use this in here. Okay, so that's fine. That can get closed now. Okay, let's see if that works now. It still is not finding it. Maybe. Okay, but how are they using it? Hold on. So that's fine. That's good. So that should be working. Domain bound providers. Do we need to do anything in routes? Path context change. That's just route stuff. Test provider. App config. Yeah, we know that. Router link, app root, true component. They're not using it in that. Context change. So where are they using it? Under context change. App config. Context change component. Okay. Imports. Boolean flag directive. Export toggle context void. Open feature set context protected. What? Standalone true. Template URL import. Boolean feature flag directive. It's going to be an imports for the main page. I think module can go now. App component imports Boolean feature flag directive. Boolean feature flag directive. Okay. Export class. Current context. Do I? Maybe that's it. Okay. All right. We got that. Hey, let's go. We got there. So that's good. Yes, that's weird. It's weird that the announcement implements it in a different way than the sample app. Okay, building feature directive, and then go back into config. And then did I have it set to true though in here? Yeah, I want it to be defaulting to false. Which should still show up. But maybe I'll do this, and I'll change this from showing up here. Oh, whoops. Maybe I want to hide the socials. Yeah, let's hide the social links. Okay, this is good. So now it should hide the social links. No, it's showing the social links. Oh, because it's true. So let's go back into our config and let's change this to off. Now it should hide them. I also am gonna have this set. I'm gonna delete this. And then I'm gonna call, can I just do like a new file, flag configuration.ts, flag config.ts, and then where'd that go? Config. And then just do like an export const. Export const. And then I'll import app flags. Oh, that's a good idea actually. app.flags.ts. Okay, and then if I update this, oh, duh, and then off, and then on. Okay, sick. Okay, so this is working. Okay, we got this working in Angular. It is working. There are just some idiosyncrasies, which is fine. That is the nature of the beast. Let's try analog. I wonder if analog's any easier. Read the docs. Get started. npm create. Where are we now? We're in my project. I'm just gonna create it in here. Maybe I'll just create a new folder, make directory, analog, c analog, and run this just in case. Project name, analog project, full stack blog, minimal. Full stack blog, minimal. Blog. Yes. Oh, it didn't add it. That's right. It's quiet in chat today, even though there's a lot of you here. Maybe not everybody's actually here. Okay, so now I need to follow these instructions. Copy that, paste that. And while that's running, I'm gonna check my email. What? Am I added to the list of speakers? Andrew McLean. Nothing there. Close this. All right. What's going on? Oh my goodness. Really? What is going on? Current Angular core. No, I can't. Oh. Okay. I don't want to do latest. I want to do analog. What versions are there of analog? Building the application. I need to stop this. Oh. What's happening? What is happening, by the way? I feel like this has gone awry. Quit. Holy moly. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay, I see. It just didn't actually. So it set up the scaffolding, but it didn't actually npm install. It didn't work. Because I'm on the wrong version. What's my node? Node B. 20, I don't know. What's the version I need? Unpackaged sport node V20.1. Unsupported engine. Do I just need to use an old? Do I need to use an older version? What did it say here? Node 18? Oh wait, hold on. What? And higher. Why don't I just use npm use 19? npm install 19? Or npm use 18? Try this again. What? Oh, 20.9. What's the highest version of Node? Current version of Node. Oh, so much typing. Current version of Node. Do I have to use nvm use 21? nvm install 21? nvm use 21? Yes, I get a headset. I know the batteries though. Can I try this now? nvm install? Oh no, node install. npm install. Oh, install. Install, not install. What is happening? I did nothing. Where's the actual? Hold on. Up to date. Oh, it's just warnings? Oh, why did I think that these were... Oh, that's fine. It's just warnings. npm start. Blog archive my first post. Okay, let me pull this over here. Home. So we got a really basic blog. Home. Good. Love it. Let's take a look at the project here. Maybe I'll... Hold on. Let me close this. Terminal. A new terminal. npm start. Okay. No modules, public. We don't care about this. Source, app styles, test setup, app content server. Content I don't care about. Oh, I don't care about that. I care about app. Component, config. Okay. We're gonna grab stuff from, I should have actually left the other one open. My project 2. So let's grab this app flags. Load a full screen. Where is it? App config, analog project. Out of full screen. But like almost full screen. Oh, I like analog language features. Install pre-release. Okay, let's grab pages. I wonder if I'll be able to do it if I do just the whole thing. Let's do that. Ooh, off. Ooh, but will I be able to install OpenFeature? Betcha I won't. Betcha when I run this, it's gonna throw errors. Is this analog project? Yeah. Error, yeah. Can I just do force? Okay. I don't like forcing things, but here we are. And then, where was the other one? It's in app config, I think. App component. So it's an app component and app config. App component, and then we're going to do Boolean, comma, Boolean flag directive, okay. And then config, we're going to grab, that's fine, config. Just grab all of this for now. And let's put this down here for a second. Import providers from, so that's fine. I really just need this. And I don't need the router. And I don't need this. Oh, import providers from. And then I think I will just add this to the end. Add this to the top. And technically I can grab this from core. Okay, and then close this. Okay, import stuff's all there, and now I want to actually use it. Use it. Where's the use of it? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna grab this. Wait, hold on. I used it where? Public, source, app, flags, component. Did I use it in here? No, I used it in. Am I in the wrong one? Hold on. Do I have the same thing open in 2 places? No, my project 2. Oh, because I don't want to be in there. App component HTML. And where was it? Here we go. Okay, so now I can close this because I don't need it anymore. And then back up here. Pages, blog, index, templates. I wonder if I can do this. Close that. Where are you running? Oh, where is it running? 5173. Oh, hey, casual. I shifted today because I'm on the East Coast this week. So just here and doing it slightly differently so that I'm done at regular time out here. Ooh, excuse me. It's generally a 3-hour difference for me from East Coast to West Coast. So, by the way, I was interested. Casuals just popped in. Okay, blog archive. So it's not seeing it there, but what if I default this to true? What if I remove this altogether? What if I save that and go false? But then in flags, change this to on. I bet you it's going to show up. Oh, hold the phone. No. It's throwing an error. It's a known property of A using the blog component. So I would need to add that into the blog component. Import Boolean feature flag directive. Okay, what do I have it defaulted to though right now? Oh no, hold on, I don't want to delete that in there. Oh, I suppose I got it done in there. Boolean feature flag directive and flags. That's on. What if I change this to off? Okay, that flag's actually working. Inject. That's an error unrelated. So technically this is actually working. In here, I can close that. Boolean feature flag directive. Styles, export. Yeah, that's all working. Boolean feature flag directive from Angular SDK. So it's basically in the config that I'm doing all this stuff. Yeah. It'll be back to the regular stream next week. Casual, like regular time. I wonder, can I use the same thing here in this nav? Can I just be like, will I get less errors? Hold on. Index page, let me pull this. And I bet you that's gonna, throw less errors. Is that gonna throw more errors though? It doesn't like that. It doesn't like me using it in the template. I did there. Must be called from a constructor. Inject, yeah. So I can't do. Hey Kushal. I am. Oh, let me zoom in a little bit here. I have played around in a programming framework, or not a programming framework. Oh my goodness, an Angular framework called AnalogJS. So this is like a meta framework of Angular. It's called Analog. And I'm just trying to add feature flags into this framework. Kushal, do you know what a feature flag is? Curious. If you don't know programming, you might know feature flags. Let's wait and see. Unless you decide to go. Interesting, the longer that I've gone on in the stream, the more people have kind of stopped in. Got a lot of people here right now. Welcome everybody. I am building, I'm just playing around in AnalogJS, adding feature flags, celebrating the OpenFeature announcement about the Angular SDK, and just kind of going through the process. But yeah, I'm super curious, Kushal. Do you know feature flags? Have you heard of them before? Have you heard of them before? guess not. All right, fair enough. Okay, let's go back into here. Okay, so we're getting this error, which is about injecting. Inject must be called run inject or injection context. Hold on, let me run injection context. Oh, it's actually like tied to the exact error. Constructor. Curry's factory, debugging the error, testbed, const engine, ng on a init. What's going on here? Inject calls. Constructor injector, because I'm not actually calling inject. I think that this is something that's happening by the Boolean feature flag directive. So yeah, I can't actually control this. I can technically control where I use it. And I think it's just the fact that I'm trying to do it in the template that it's really upset about. Let's throw this to ChatGPT and see what it says. I'm just always curious what ChatGPT comes through and says. This is AnalogJS. Should I be using the Boolean directive differently? I get a inject error. Inject error. Import Boolean feature flag directive. Okay, that's right. Component standalone imports router. Yeah, that's fine. Styles. Okay, that's saying I'm doing the right thing. Yeah, I think this is saying that I'm doing the right thing everywhere. Hold on. Check for inject error. Oh my goodness. Why are my eyes so... Oh my goodness gracious. Apparently I'm more tired than I thought. Holy moly. Alright, let me go back and see chat. So still no answer from Kushal. That's okay. So I mean, it's the weird thing here is it's working even with the error. Oh. Maybe not anymore? It was working. I guess it was just working momentarily. But why for? Why is it doing this? What if I pull this out? Bet it'll work then. Okay, that's back. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back to this index page. Is that gonna throw the same error? So this is so fascinating. Like, it's technically throwing this error, but like the error is not actually stopping it from working. Clear? Hold on. Does that actually clear it? Why not? Clear. Clear. npm start. Okay. Still getting an error. No error now. What if I switch it up? Hold on. I'm in the right project. on. Okay, so I guess I would just an existing error. So yeah, that actually works really well. I mean, I guess I know how it works. So what's the real difference here? Angular JSON. I guess there's byte stuff, but the other one had byte too that was working. What is the difference? So, moral of the story is it works. I did have to force the install, but it did work. Byte, hybrid SSR, and static site generation of Angular applications, file-based routing and API routes. Fully understand this file-based routing stuff. I guess this, right? File-based routing. No. Yeah, because you still got a routes file. Message hello world. Is there a hello route? Nope. I mean, it works. I'm not upset by the fact that this is just kind of doing the thing that it needs to do. So I guess well done, OpenFeature team. Not so. Yeah. Well done, OpenFeature team. I think that's the real moral of the story. It works. It does it. I guess the only thing that I'm really seeing as an analog piece that's like really unique is just maybe the structuring. But I guess I haven't used Angular long enough to know the value prop for this. Content, example post, app, pages, blog, file-based routing. Maybe that's what they mean here. So blog, pages, index, or page-based routing or whatever. App flags, content, server routes, hello. Define event handler, main server. Yeah, I don't know. I like having a routes file. I also don't know if this is actually implementing that. I think it's got a lot of dependencies though. It does. What's zone.js? Implements zones for JavaScript. How illustrative. Are there other Angular meta frameworks? So we could try adding this to another one and see if there's any gotchas. Analog, Ionic. Angular meta framework. Next-JS solid start. Meta framework. Analog project or Angular project. That's interesting. Start. I've only worked with Angular apps created with Angular CLI. Is there a reason I should create Angular projects? Yeah, I personally don't see any advantage over the analog Angular way, but it's just my preference. If you want something like analog Angular, why don't you simply use React? Interesting. Angular is a framework. There you have your poster. It's easy to get into a new Angular project. Angular becomes a library without a good structure. It's fair. I've seen a lot of these meta frameworks. Like Next.js is technically a meta framework of React, so there's a lot of meta frameworks that are out there. It's like optimizing existing frameworks. So it doesn't look like there are any more. All right. Well, I think we've kind of gone as deep. Like I don't really notice a big difference between the two of them. It works. It does the job. Does Angular and AnalogJS toggle? Absolutely. They just released this, and so it shouldn't be that surprising to you that they do. If you want to learn more about either of these, either Angular, so Analog is just analogjs.org, and Angular, I think it's just like angularjs.dev, angular.io. But yeah, and I actually like the playground that they have here. It's kind of nice. Like a walkthrough. Learn Angular in your browser. Build your first Angular app locally. I should have followed this process. This is kind of nice. Oh, it's by Mark Thompson. I met Mark Thompson. That's awesome. Very cool. Yeah, I actually did an interview with Mark Thompson at that conference. Mark Thompson, that conference. That conference? Mark Texan. His real name's Mark Thompson. Yeah. Oh, wait, that's not. Where is it? Hold the phone. There it is. And then PJ and I. How to talk with him. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, PJ and I had a great conversation with Mark, which was kind of fun. Yeah, I think that's amazing. I love that that's here. Maybe I'll go and watch that afterwards. But yeah, if you want to find out more, check it out. OpenFeature, same thing, just openfeature.dev. Really awesome. Lots of great stuff going on there. All right. So I think with all of that said, we have reached a natural end for today's stream. It did toggle. It did work. If you enjoyed this stream, stay tuned. I am going to be back next week. We're gonna be doing some live streams from conferences next week. There's gonna be lots of stuff going on, so stay tuned for that. I probably won't do a Does It Toggle next week, just because I will be at a conference or on my way back from a conference. So it'll probably be 2 weeks, but then I'll be back here on stream with all of you. So I think with that, I'm going to say farewell, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in today, for checking out not only Angular, but also Angular Analog. It was a lot of fun, and looking forward to seeing all of you next time here on the channel. And of course, come on over to our Discord if you'd like to say hi over there. Have an amazing rest of your day, everybody, and we will see you around the DevCycle community. Bye-bye.